So we're about to head off on an e-bike tour of Madarao Mountain.
This is Madaraokogen!
Come discover Iiyama. So we're about to head off on an e-bike tour of Madarao Mountain through the beech tree forests and get a great view. Check out the mountain in the green season.
This is a Madaraokogen YAMA. It's kind of the activity center. So all the information, many bike rentals, so indoor climbing, tobacco making experience, everything in here. So if you want to get some information, you just come in here, everything you can get that, all the information. So today, we hired a mountain biking e-bike from here. We opened a new gravel gravel bike course. Yep. So we will go there today, and it's free. It's free. Yeah, so good, and yeah, very kind. Madarao is very kind. Yeah, openness for everyone, and yeah, we will try this gravel new course. Now we go now. じゃあ皆さん行きましょう。楽しみぞ。はい、ついてきてください。This is Madaraokogen, and so maybe you can see that some courses, a few courses there. That's also some mountain biking course. But today we go to the another trails. Hey, let's go! Okay, this is the entrance of the gravel course. So forest gravel course. Name is the Furusato no Mori. Yeah, here more uphill. All right, let's go. Enjoy, guys. Woo. Yeah, we did it. Did it. Hi, very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Woo. How was today?
Good.
Good. Thank you very much. And so we have another activities and sightseeing around here. For example, Nozomi Lake, so beautiful. Many people coming. And Shinya Trail. We can't forget that. So Shinya Trail is the start from Madarao and walk on a reach 80 kilometers. So that's also very good for the long hikers. Okay, I explained for myself, and I have the backcountry company, international ski school in Madarao, and a restaurant. So we provide some good coffee, good pizza, and good hamburgers, good burgers. Hi, always welcome to our restaurant and office. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Come discover Iiyama.